Hi, I'm Jill Galloway. I'm an artist educator at the National Portrait Gallery and a full-time artist with Jill Galloway Studio. In today's Open Studio lesson, we're looking at poster art. Now, poster art is always meant to be bright and bold and simple. Think about it, the job of a poster is to grab your attention even if you're far away from it. So we're going to make our own posters today, and we're going to keep things extra light and silly. We're going to make monster posters with a message. You don't need to have any experience for this lesson, so let's get started. For today's lesson, you'll need a pencil and an eraser, paper, and something to color with, like markers or crayons will work just fine. First, let's draw your monster. You're going to draw a big lumpy arch that starts near the bottom corner of your paper and goes up towards the middle of the paper and then slides back down to the opposite corner. Next, you're going to add 2 eyes. Here's some samples of some monster's eyes. Now we need a nose. Here's some samples of some monster noses. Don't get excited, just keep this really simple. It's just like a big hook. The mouth can have some teeth, or your monster can be toothless. Outline your monster with a black Sharpie. First, color in the background of your poster. Pick a nice bright color. Now give your monster a message. Poster words are big, simple messages. Your message can say something like, "I'm happy," or "be nice," or "share love." You decide, but make sure it's just a few words. Now color in your monster and pick another nice bright color. Here's a fun tip. If you're using a water-based marker or a washable marker, you can take a paintbrush of water over top of the marker and it smears in the colors a little bit and smooths them out. Decide if your monster has spots or maybe hair or ears or glasses. Really anything goes. Another fun idea is to take some black paint and water it down and then flick it over the paper to make spots everywhere. If you want to take your monster a step further, add some shadows to the eyeballs and maybe shadows on the teeth and around the nose. The point of a poster is to spread the news or give information about something, so you need to make your message simple but bright and bold. Posters in portraiture are intended to get people who see them to act or to promote or to advertise. No matter what their message is, though, they're beautiful works of art. Thanks so much for joining me for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to see what monsters you came up with. If you wouldn't mind posting your work on social media with the hashtag MyMPG, then we can all check it out. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.